Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to my channel. God is able 2021. Yes, God is able to do all this. Today, I don't want us to waste much of our time. Before we dive into the video, I just want to welcome those that are coming to my channel for the first time. You all are welcome. This is your home. Okay? My old subscribers, you too, you are welcome. Thank you for the support so far. I can't thank you enough. Okay? Well, today I want to do some little unboxing. Yes, I ordered for a few items from Amazon. They have arrived, and also some people gifted me, okay, from my church. So I want to unbox them this morning to share with us. Okay, so let's start doing this. Okay, I ordered for this. I don't remember what is inside it, but when we open it, oh no, these two. I think this is the one that I ordered from Love Me. Okay, yes, I think it's Love Me. So I'm gonna bust it. So here comes the gift that I received from my church members. Okay, so this is also part of the gift. This flask from this one is especially from the women from the church. So without wasting much of our time, let me dive into the unboxing. Okay. First of all, I'm gonna make use of my, mini toolbox, mini equipment box. Here I have. I want to make use of this. I have my scissors in there. I have two types of scissors, a big one and a smaller one. I'm gonna use the small one. Okay. I made a video about this. I don't know if I have. Share it with us. Okay? Let's do it. Let's do it. I'm opening this in case I want to return it. Okay. I have a gray hair at the center of my hair. Oh, it's been a year since I was a youth, so but since this thing is trying to spread, but I want to dye it a little. And I saw a video on YouTube where somebody used this product, so I'm gonna use it to color my hair to black a little bit. Okay, maybe probably I will use it. I'm gonna carry on some more. So that's my number one gift. This one is take it up. This that we've run that I ordered from Love Me. Wow! It came with a very beautiful package. Yeah. Love me, love me, love me, love me, Yvonne. I ordered for a weight and wave, but I call it. But I like weight and wave hair. Like what? I like it a lot. So I already have one. Wow, this is good. It's looking beautiful. See? Okay, I'm gonna. This is, I bought this personally and nobody paid me for any advert, okay? So that's it's not that they paid me. Wow. So that it came with a brush. Okay, yeah, there's something else that it's here. Thanks, a lot of gifts. Wow. Okay, with cap. Okay. And this one's inside this. Ooh, what is that? Band to make it relax. Okay, that's good of you. Thank you, Love Me. Thank you, thank you. Okay, let me see how it goes. I didn't make my hair. I already have wake up even. Thank you for the additional. Oh, this came with a band. This is the kind of that I've been looking for. Oh, because I have a small skull, so it's always very difficult for me to get a wig that is my hair size. This time I do it. Wow, that's any look. I need to adjust it a little bit because it's not tight, even at that, but it fits me, right? Oh my God. Thank you, love me. Okay. This is a brush and to wow, that's wait and wait, just all you need to do, just apply your cream or oil. I already have olive oil that I'm using. This is not yes, so I'm gonna wear it till I finish here. The video, or I like it. And this one, you don't have to go to begin to try to adjust the front side. You can wear it by the side, by the center, you see. Oh my God, I like the hair. So I didn't miscalculate when I bought it. And it's short. This is the kind of hair I like. I don't like long hair. Anything that is more than 12 inches, it's not for me. Even in braiding, I can really braid something that will get to my bra level. No, it's not me. That is not me. When I did that was a long time ago, and even then, I was just managing to do it. So, love you. Thank you for all the gifts. Okay, inside. Alright, fresh yet. What is this? You need to know. I don't understand all this. I don't understand how to take care of that. Now, this one too. I'm gonna figure out how to do it. Thanks. Okay. The other gift I have here with me is this one. A sister in the church gifted it to me. I think it's a traditional bag. What is that kid that scissors? No. A bag with a fabric bag. Yes, fabric bag. This is Adri. And this lady is not from Nigeria. This material is Yoruba people that usually do it. They call it Adire material. I don't know how she came about it, but I'm liking it. Yes. Okay, go see this. Yeah. What is swallowing? Okay, my brush. Oh, Mama, thank you so much. I appreciate the gifts. It looks lovely. Fabric. Okay. All the peppers and the stuff to make it puffy, but inside is good. It looks beautiful. Sizing where you can put your stuff. I like it. You shoot it and size where you can put your things. I like it. Thank you so much, Mama. For you. Thank you. Okay. I still actually polypots. Wow. A slippers for me. And we're entering winter now. I've enjoyed this during this winter. At least It will keep my feet warm. It will keep my feet. I hope people will find the slippers. It's gonna keep my feet warm. And it's exactly my size. How do I show you that it's my size? Anyway, I don't know how to do that, but I tested this is my size. Thank you. Then finally, this, our cooler. Warm cooler from the women in my church. I've already opened the carton because I was very excited. I said, okay, let me know what is in it. Right? Okay. So before I share with you, and when I saw it, I like it. You know, good thing when you appreciate good things. Good things is good. So, and I said, I must show you my YouTube family this gifts. Okay. This is the warmer. Food warmer. Food warmer. Yes. And this one, you plug it and light and make your food warm. I think I removed the charger. I don't know where I put it. Oh, this is the warmer. I know you came with one charger. I don't know where I put it because I've already opened it before. Here is the spoon. Okay, with it. Now look for the I will look for the Okay, family. I didn't even know that the cable was inside the bag. I just tried to package it back, and I saw that the charger was inside. That's for the food warmer. Okay, for the food flask. That's what we call it in Nigeria. Nigeria. So you plug this into the socket and plug it somewhere. Wait a minute. Okay. Wait a minute. This is where you plug. It's the lock it. So then I think it's good. With this, when you want to wash it, you can just wash it so that the water doesn't enter the terminal points. What's it called? Is it? Yeah, the socket, right? So with this lock, I think it should be safe when you're washing it. So with this, you plug it in and warm your soup, warm your stew, warm your soup, warm your rice, warm your beans, any food, warm your meat here and eat it hot. Like people like us that always like to eat hot or warm food. This is good for you. Thank you, family. Thank you for standing by. That is it for now. Thank you, all my subscribers. Thank you for watching. Thank you for standing there for me, supporting me, liking my video, sharing, commenting. God bless you for making me grow. The growth is tremendous. Yes, it's really tremendous. Even when I don't put much effort. And I wonder how it's gonna be when I begin to do much work, put much energy, put much interest in this YouTube channel. In this my channel, I know that it's going to boom like this. Oh, thank you all of you. Really appreciate you. I'm gonna see us in our next vlog. Thank you and bye.